Welcome to English with me. Learn English through stories.
Dad, I have English homework today.
Oh, what's it about?
I need to talk about my family in English.
That's a wonderful topic. Family is very important.
Before we start, please subscribe and like this channel for more videos.
That's right. Don't forget to subscribe so you can keep practicing English with us. So what exactly do you have to do?
I have to say a few sentences about each person in my family.
Sounds fun. I'll help you make your sentences longer and more natural.
Okay, my family is good.
That's a great start, Melissa, but we can make it sound a little richer. Try saying, my family is very nice and we do many things together.
My family is very nice.
Perfect. You could also add how you feel. For example, I love my family very much.
I love my family very much.
Wonderful. Now let's talk about each family member. How about starting with me?
My dad is named Tom. He works in an office.
Let's make that more natural. My dad, Tom, works in an office in the city. Great job. And what kind of person am I?
He is very nice.
He is very nice and he always helps me with my homework. Excellent. And what do I like to do on weekends?
On weekends, he plays basketball with me in the park.
That's a good sentence. Perfect. That paints a nice picture of our time together.
And sometimes we watch sports on TV together.
Now, how about your mom?
My mom's name is Sarah. She cooks dinner every day.
Great. This sounds good. Very good. And what kind of person is she?
She's very kind and she always cares about everyone in the family.
Great. This sounds good. Wonderful. And what does she enjoy doing in her free time?
She enjoys growing flowers in our backyard.
Excellent. You're doing great so far. Now let's talk about your brother.
I have one younger brother. His name is Alex, and we spend a lot of time together.
Excellent. Very nice. And what kind of person is Alex?
He is very funny.
That's true.
And he always makes me laugh with his silly joke.
Perfect. And what does he like to do?
And he also enjoys playing video games when he has free time.
Great.
My grandparents live near us, and we visit each other often.
Great. And what do they like to do?
My grandpa likes watching very well.
Wonderful. What happens when they visit us?
They come to our house on Sundays, and we always have dinner together.
Perfect.
We enjoy my grandma's special cooking.
Perfect.
And we laugh while listening to my grandpa's funny stories.
Excellent. That's a great description. Now, how about you?
I am a student, and I study at middle school.
That's a good sentence. What do you enjoy doing after school?
I like reading books in the evening, especially adventure stories.
Excellent. What other hobbies do you have?
I enjoy playing the piano.
Gives a nice picture of who you are. Now let's talk about what your family does together.
We often watch TV together after dinner.
Perfect. What about weekends?
We watch TV together.
That's great.
And we laugh a lot when the show is funny.
We sometimes go shopping, and we also have picnics in the park.
Yes, we sometimes go shopping.
Excellent. So how will you finish your homework?
My family is wonderful, and we always care for each other.
That's okay. So how will you finish your homework?
My family is wonderful, and we always care for each other.
That's okay. Your teacher will be proud of you.
Now I feel really ready. Thank you, Dad.
You did amazing, and you made me smile.
Please subscribe and like this channel.
And if you enjoyed practicing English with us today,
Yes, and keep learning English with us.
so you don't miss the next lesson.
See you in the next episode.